rocks in the water. Hi YouTube, it's me again, and my constant obsession with the beach. Yay! There's rocks, and it actually looks kind of cool. Look, I'll show you. Whoa. Hopefully it doesn't slap me in the face. But the beach is really far out. Look at this rock. It's a rock! And there's the water coming up to sea high. So yeah, I'm enjoying the beach again. There's rocks everywhere. Look at this stuff. Kelp. I wouldn't be surprised if there's like a crab in it like it was at the other beach. But yeah, there's rocks everywhere. Try not to step on them. It's kind of hard to run in sand. Hello. Running on sand is really hard. Hi guys.
Hi.